Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today I got a good one for you. Do you have a motorhome that has an electric step? And does your electric step do what this one's doing? If it does, I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. It's a really quick, easy fix. Let's take a look at the problem. As you'll see, the step is not completely up. This is probably a quickie step, but it doesn't matter what brand of step it is. You'll see this problem with just about every electric step. Let me show you how it works. When you open the door, all right, it does come all the way out, so it feels good. But when they go up, they don't go all the way up. Now I'm gonna get me some cardboard, lay down here, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this. This little triangular box is your step controller. That's the motor. This is the gearbox. All right, what happens with these steps? Well, let me explain to you how the step works first. There's no limit switches on these steps. What they do is when the steps are going out or coming in, the controller is reading the amp draw on the motor. When the controller sees a certain amount of amp draw on the motor, it figures, okay, we are either all the way out and let's stop, or the steps are all the way in, let's stop, and it just cuts the power to the motor. All right, so what happens with these steps is they need lubricated. All right, a ton of moving parts in these things. I mean, you got a pivot point here, pivot point here, pivot point here. That's 3. Okay, over here we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pivot points, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 22. 22 pivot points on this 3-step step. Okay, that's a lot of pivot points. So you get just a little bit, dry in each one of those joints, and it adds up. All right, what I should have said was, once all these pivot points get a little bit stiff, what's happening is the controller is just reading a high amp draw on the motor, and it's stopping the steps before they get all the way up or all the way down. In this case, it's all the way up. So I'm going to show you right now how to fix that so that these steps will work properly. So all I'm going to do is lubricate this thing, and you need to use a real kind of oil. There's 2 more. No, 22 pivot points. You need to use something that actually leaves an oily residue. Do not use WD-40. That is a waste of time. WD-40 is mostly propane, and it dissipates immediately, and it leaves just leaves no oil behind. So I'm gonna start spraying all these pivot points. I'm gonna use some Crown penetrating oil. Hopefully you can see that. Crown penetrating oil. And I'm just going to start spraying all these pivot points, and then we'll show you what happens when you actually lubricate these. I'm going to spray these with this penetrating oil, and then I'm probably go back over it with some more kind of different oil also. As you can't hardly lubricate it too much. It's all I can get from this side. I'll have to go to the other side and spray some over too. So I'll be back with you here in a minute. Okay, so we got her all lubricated up. Now we just work it some. Look at there, first try, went all the way up. All those steps needed was lubricated. So there you have it. If your electric step on your motorhome is not going all the way up or going all the way down, right there's how you fix it. It just needs some lubrication. I'm going to go back over that with another oil, probably be another Crown product, probably just be the protectant, and spray some more oil on that thing. And then don't forget, you know, we got oil all over the steps, so I'm going to go also clean I'm going to clean the tread part of the steps off so that nobody slips and falls, because oil slick, safety third, right? Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my new Amazon storefront. The link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to go down the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.